In a previous video, we discussed how X-ray inspection can help save lives outside the doctor's office. From continuous glucose monitoring systems to epinephrine auto-injectors, X-ray helps manufacturers inspect critical medical products without damaging them. But the role of X-ray becomes even more important when we look at everything involved in a surgical procedure. In this video, we'll take a look at some X-rays from sealed surgical products. A surgical bracket with titanium screws, a robotic surgical stapler reload, an external fixation pin set, and a valve used to deliver critical fluids and medications during surgery. These products perform very different functions, but they all present the same fundamental manufacturing challenges. Every component must be present, correct, and properly positioned, and every component must function exactly as intended. Manufacturers produce thousands of these devices and surgical kits. Every single one must be inspected and verified. That becomes especially difficult once the product has been sealed inside the sterile packaging. Opening the package would compromise the sterile barrier. Visual inspection cannot always confirm what's inside. Small screws, pins, staples, springs, seals, and internal valve components may be hidden beneath packaging materials or other parts. Internal assemblies can appear correct from the outside while still containing defects. Manual inspection can be slow, subjective, and difficult to scale across thousands of products. When a patient is already cut into and open on the operating table, that is not the time to discover that a screw is missing. X-ray inspection gives manufacturers a way to see inside these products without opening or damaging them. The sterile package remains sealed, the product remains intact, and the components inside can be inspected in detail. Creative Electron's X-ray systems combine X-ray imaging with inspection algorithms that analyze each product line by line. The software can verify that every required component is present, that the component is in the correct position, and it can identify any presence of damage or deformation or other inconsistencies. Each inspection can be compared against a validated reference or known good product. For surgical kits, that can mean confirming the number, position, and condition of screws, pins, brackets, staples, and other required components. For the IV valve, we can go even further. Using CT, we can examine the internal structure of the valve in 3 dimensions. We can compare its internal geometry and material density against a known good valve. The differences in density can reveal internal inconsistencies that may not be visible in a standard X-ray inspection. That could include improper material distribution, internal damage, voids, deformation, or incorrectly assembled components. This creates a repeatable inspection process that can be applied across thousands of manufactured products. Every sealed kit can be scanned, components can be verified, and every inspection result can be documented before the product reaches a hospital. The larger picture is that nearly every manufactured product involved in a surgical procedure can be supported by X-ray inspection. The implants, the screws, the hardware, the stapling devices, sterile kits, and even the valves delivering the critical fluids can be X-rayed. Manufacturers verify these products are complete, correctly assembled, and ready to perform when they're needed most. Subscribe for more X-ray teardowns, and thanks for watching.